Assalamu alaikum, hi and marhaba. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So today we are gonna make, yes, Chinese mini rolls, and that's gonna be really yummy and tasty. So I'm going to share the recipe with you. First of all, I'm taking one whole breast of chicken. Just boil it with some salt and black pepper and then shred it. Here I'm taking 4 to 5 medium carrots, which is finely sliced, as you can see. Okay, so here I'm taking one medium cabbage, chopped. It's a size in medium, and I'm taking it here whole cabbage. Okay, so 3 to 5 green onions. It's about 4 to 5 small size of capsicums, or you can take 3 big capsicums. Just chop it, and 5 to 6 tablespoons of coriander leaves and green chilies as per your taste. So firstly, we are gonna start the recipe. Firstly, heat the bowl, and I'm adding here 2 tablespoons of oil. That's gonna be enough. This recipe, all the things are gonna be half done. So firstly, I'm taking the carrots here. You will saute it for like 5 to 6 minutes. Just give it a stir after 1 minute on medium flame. Now after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add here cabbage. Stir it. Mix it well and well. In Ramzan, which item do you like the most? Tell me in the comment section below. What do you love to eat in iftar, roll, or any other fried items? Just let me know in the comment section below. Now after 3 to 4 minutes, I'm adding here capsicum. Now we are gonna add the green onions and coriander leaves. Now at this time, just keep stirring it. Do not stop it. Mix all the things very well. Then it will give you a complete taste. In the end, I'm gonna add the green chilies. Now this time we will add the chicken. Now mix it. So now I'm gonna add the salt as per your taste. You can add it. I'm adding here like around 2 medium size of spoons, 2 teaspoons you can say. You can add it as per your taste. Now we're gonna add the black pepper powder, around 3 teaspoons. We're gonna add the vinegar, 2.5 teaspoons of vinegar. Chili sauce, 3 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Now mix it well. So now it's done. After 5 to 6 minutes, I stir it a lot. You know, we can turn off the stove now, and that's it. In the end, we will add the boiled eggs here. I took 2 boiled eggs and just cut it in a medium size. So just after mixing it, it's done now. You will let it cool, and then you will make the rolls. After cooling it, Here I'm taking some breads. It's actually square in shape, so I'm taking it here. What I'm gonna do right now to just I'm cutting it into equal half from the middle. So I'm taking here one piece right here. So what I'm gonna do right now is to just you can make this, or you can take any water here to stick these things. You can also take here, or you can make like in boiling water you will add some flour and then mix it for like 2 minutes. That will be easy for sticking. Fill the spoon here, and that's it. Place it. Now tuck in here, then again roll it. Press it here from the sides. Now again we will gonna stick here from here, and then that's it. Press it, roll it again, press it, roll it. That's it. Keep doing that and your mini Chinese roll will be ready. Here we go. Tuck in like this, and the last minimum amount of, that's it. So now your mini Chinese roll is ready. So I'm gonna do the rest of it like the same, then we will fry it. So here 25-minute rolls are ready. Let's fry it. So the oil is hot enough. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On a medium flame and keep changing the sides so it won't get burned. So it's ready now. Our Chinese mini rolls are ready. It's so crispy and so tasty. Don't forget to like my recipe and share with your friends and family. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe for Ramadan, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.